Quality can be measured, felt, and calculated down to the last micron. Wear and tear can be simulated. Heat, water, and salt turn days into years, and years are the unit of analysis for our exacting standards. Quality can be tested to breaking point. Our products have to withstand one thing in particular: everyday kitchen use. And that's tough. Adventure. Resilience. The battle with the elements. When things have to run like clockwork and every detail makes a difference, Blum comes into play. For this special moment. We watch these moments around the world to understand what's needed and analyze how we can make life easier. Single-handed or single finger, with a push or a gentle touch. We know what's what. Innovation and quality are not final, but ongoing. We create quality awareness for every product at the start of every development process. We don't just test for the sake of it. We're committed to 100% verification. Our pursuit of quality has no end. Quality can always be enhanced. For instance, by our young skilled workers who have trained with us. Blum products pass through dozens of hands, travel thousands of miles, and put up with countless rigors. Good to know they've already undergone stringent testing under extreme conditions. No matter how tough the journey, in the freezing cold or baking heat, they endure. Blum Quality does not go without saying. It's the work of many. And everyone has an important role to play. In Austria and around the world, our love of detail creates inspiring quality. Complicated processes become simple solutions. So, it's obvious what we understand by quality. It's the reassuring feeling that we've given our all.